channel. So I am super duper hyped because fall is pretty much here and it is my favorite season ever. I know it's still August, but this is the time that you really just start to get ready for the fall season, and I'm so here for it because I love everything about fall. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how to get this very fall inspired look that I'm so obsessed with. So for the eyes, I use the Nude Aina palette, which is everything. I love it so much, and this look is just so gorgeous. I love the orange color on the lid. It's kind of smoky, so it's just definitely fall appropriate. The lips are very berry, and it's just a whole mood. It's a whole fall mood, okay? And then also in this video, I'm gonna be sharing the fall box from FabFitFun. They just recently released it, and it has some really great products. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that has full-size products. So from beauty, lifestyle, wellness, pretty much anything you can think of, they have all of those items, and they're full size. So you definitely cannot beat that with a stick. I'm super duper excited to be partnering with them and letting you guys know more about the box and all the goodies that are inside. And this is what the box looks like. It's super cute and super fun. And now they even have it where you can customize your box. So I think that's really cool. And if you guys have never tried out FabFitFun, you can use my code NitraaB to get $10 off of your first box. So I will have a link in the description box. So yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys all the products and how I use them, and then also how to get a fall inspired look. So we're pretty much just going to be getting ready for fall. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into it. So this FabFitFun box had a lot of good stuff in it, you guys. A lot of great things to get you ready for the fall season. And I love that the boxes always have a variety of different things. It's valued at over $200, but it retails for $49.99. So it's always a really great deal. So I'm gonna be showing you guys some of my personal favorites from the box and how I think they'll be perfect for getting you ready for the fall season. And don't forget, if you're ordering your first box, you can get $10 off if you use my code NitraaB. So again, I will have the link listed in the description box for that. So the first product I'm going to be sharing with you guys, I was really interested in trying, and it's by the Better Skin Company. It's called Lava Magic. It's actually a 3-in-1. It's a cleanser, a scrub, and a mask, and it really exfoliates your skin, which I think is great for the fall season because our skin can get a little bit drier during the cooler months. Alright guys, so I'm all about exfoliating, whether it's summer, winter, spring, or fall. I absolutely love to exfoliate my skin. So the next product I'm using are these exfoliating sugar cubes, and these are really great. It's an easy way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, especially during the cooler months when our skin tends to get a little bit drier and flaky. This is a really easy way to just get off that extra dead skin. So you want to make sure that you're keeping your skin nice and hydrated and moisturized, especially when it cools off, because the drier air can definitely dry out your skin. So this product is by Human & Kind, and it's a body souffle. It's really nice for just keeping your skin soft and moisturized, and it does have apricot oil and shea butter, which is a really great combination. And then the next product I want to share with you guys are these flat irons. So you might remember earlier I was telling you that you can customize your box. So the flat irons were actually what I decided to add as a customizable item. And I really love a good pair of flat irons, and I needed an extra pair so I can keep one in the bathroom and one in my beauty space. So I decided to get these, and they're just really great. I mean, you guys know how a flat iron works, but this one actually retails for $80. So yeah, that's definitely a great deal that you get it in the box. Another product that was included in the box is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and this is going to instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling. Another product is the Skin Volve Body Boost Gel. So I've actually used their products in the past after I had Uriah. They had a product that was really great for skin tightening that I used. And also in the box were these detox pads. So these are really great to help with the appearance of your skin, fine lines, wrinkles, and it also exfoliates. And then also included is an aromatherapy deep relax roller ball, which is always really great to have. So yeah, that is everything that's included in the FabFitFun fall box. As you guys could tell, there's some really great things in the box. You also get an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. So yeah, I will have the link in the description box so you guys can check it out. So starting with the makeup, I wanted to do something that was really fall inspired, that was really just going to get you in the fall mood. So first things first, I went ahead and primed my face, and now I'm priming my eyes. And this is just to make sure the eyeshadow just stays on all throughout the day and doesn't crease. And for the eyeshadows, I decided to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Jackie Aina palette, which I've just been so in love with. The first color that I'm applying is Ginger, and it's a lighter brown color. Not too light, you can definitely see it on my skin tone, but I just like to start off with a lighter color and then just kind of build on top of that. Then the next color is called Edges, and it's definitely a brown, but I'd say it has a little bit more of a red undertone to it. And I'm just sweeping this in the crease area, applying it directly on top of the previous eyeshadow color that I applied. So I really just like building the color up. I just feel like it just makes the look a little bit more flawless and seamless. And going back with another fluffy brush, I'm just blending everything out, making sure that there's no harsh lines, you know, from the transition, and everything just looks really nice and blended. So now I'm applying the lid color, which, y'all, I love this color so much. It's absolutely gorgeous, and it's so pigmented. As you guys can tell, it just goes on like butter. It is so pigmented and such a creamy color. Absolutely love it. And to really give it that nice smoky fall look, I'm using a deeper shade just to deepen the crease up. This shade's called Credit. It's kind of like a chocolate brown color, but it's really great for just applying to the crease if you just want to give your look a little bit more of smokiness. It's really perfect for that. And I'm applying a little bit of mascara. This is something that I always like to do just so I can make sure that the fake eyelashes that I apply will blend flawlessly with my real lashes. And I love these lashes. These are by Batty B, I think, but I will have a full list of all the products listed below in the description box. So now we're gonna move on to the foundation. And the foundation I'm using is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is one of my favorites. It's really full coverage, so it's definitely going to give you the coverage that you need if you have any blemishes or anything like that. And I'm just applying it with a damp beauty blender, and I really like to use a damp beauty blender with this foundation because it just helps give it a more natural finish. I'm just going over the foundation with this buffer brush just to make sure that the foundation is really just nice and pressed into the skin. Now I'm gonna apply some concealer just to give myself that highlighted look, and I'm using the concealer by Fenty Beauty, which is one of my go-to ones. So I'm just gonna blend this out, and I always like to make sure that it's blended really well so that there's no lines of demarcation. You know, you want everything to be really nice and flawless. And after it's all applied and blended, I go back in and I apply a powder just to ensure that that concealer isn't going to crease. really love to cream contour, but I do notice that I seem to do it a little bit more in the cooler weather. I feel like sometimes in the summer using a lot of creams can be a little risky, especially if it's really hot outside. But yeah, I really have just been enjoying applying the cream contour. I feel like it just makes it pop a little bit more and gives you a little bit more of definition in the cheek area. So I like to apply it down the sides of my nose, in the hollows of my cheeks, and then also on my forehead. Just to add a little bit of warmth back to the face, I like to go in with a bronzer, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush. And I love a mauve colored blush, especially during the fall season. I just feel like it's so appropriate, and I'm just gonna go in and line the bottom waterline with this black eyeliner and also smudge the bottom lash line with a little bit of eyeshadow. A little bit of highlight is always nice, so just for that added glow, I'm gonna apply it to the tops of my cheekbones, the middle of my forehead, and also the tip of my nose. Of course, a deep berry red lip is always appropriate for this time of the year. I mean, I'll wear it any time of the year, but it's just really flattering during this season. So I'm using Rammer Jammer, which is my absolute favorite. I love this lip color. It's just very nice for the fall season. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe it got you more into the fall spirit. I know for me, it's already major fall vibes. I'm so ready, even though it's still really hot outside. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in checking out FabFitFun, I will have the link and discount code in the description box below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!